Okay guys, so welcome to the required weekly test as of April 30th. So today's setup was requested by NOAAWXFan1234. So let's go ahead and go over the setup. Right here is the WR120 still.
Forecast.
Right here is the Radio Shack 12250.
Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the upper 50s.
Just go ahead and check every one of these radios. Okay. Right here is the AlertWorks EAR10. Oops. Okay. Okay. That is spot 2. Over here we have the Midland WR100. Please work. Yes! Okay, cool.
Wednesday and Wednesday night.
Okay, that is a very good thing that it works. It wasn't working yesterday at 11:30. So, which, by the way, today's Thursday, as you can see, because they postponed the weekly test yesterday due to a slight risk that was later downgraded. So that was great. Usually they just cancel the test, but I guess it wasn't that big of a threat. Right here's the 521.
Tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time.
Which everything should be okay, except for this. Right, recom.
So please use caution while driving and leave plenty of distance between you and other drivers.
Bro, that expired like early this morning. Alright, anyways, county, mode, siren volume. Oops. Okay, I think we're good. Right here I have the 12247. Right here's the scanner, which should be on WX Alert Standby. There you go. And the 74200.
Atlanta.
Okay, cool. Alert on as well. And over here is the 1650.
2%. Wind northwest at.
And just make sure everything's okay on here. Counties, mode, siren volume. Okay, cool. Alrighty guys, so the weekly test is going to go off in about 2 minutes, so I'll join you back then.
Gainesville, it was fair, 58 degrees. Wind west at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour.
There it is. What? Oh, there we go.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC80.
Hey.
This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning.
Dang it, it died.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee,
Yes.
Clayton, Cobb,
Got it.
DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system.
Actually, no.
We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Ow. Oh, here we go. Wait. Bro, what?
Cloudy.
Wait, come on.
57 degrees. Dew point 48. Relative humidity 72%.
I guess it's not going to do it, but there you go.
12 miles an hour.
That's
Pressure was
funny.
29.86
Okay.
inches and steady. Around Atlanta.
Basically, what I was looking for there was, sometimes the transmitter glitches, and, well, it doesn't glitch, but it, like, sometimes you can hear the EOMs in the background, and that's because this is a wireless station, and sometimes the wired system gets into the background audio a little bit and screws around with the radios. So that's not good. Also, why sometimes you see this says unrecognized message, because it's trying to decode the EOMs on top of an EOM, and it's not. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So yeah, 2 weekly tests. Yeah, there you guys go. That was about 5 minutes late, so it was great. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you all next time.